Good morning, student. Today we are going to continue chapter 4th heat. Student, in my previous video we have discussed about transfer of heat and we read two processes, conduction and convection. We read in solid heat transfer by conduction and in liquid and gases heat transfer by convection. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, sea bridge and land bridge formation. Student, the people living in a coastal areas experience an interesting phenomena. And what is the phenomena? Formation of sea bridge and land bridge. Actually what happened during the day, दिन के समय the land get heated faster than the water. लैंड जल्दी गर्म हो जाता है वाटर के कंपैरिजन में. सो द एयर ओवर द लैंड बिकम हॉटर एंड राइजेज अप. सो लैंड के ऊपर जो एयर है वो गर्म हो जाएगी एंड राइजेज अप. जब मैंने आपको कन्वेक्शन पढ़ाया था, आई टोल्ड यू दैट हॉटेड एयर राइजेज अप. So, because during the day the land get heated faster than the water, so the air over the land become hotter and rises up. Okay, the cooler air from the sea is towards the land to take its place. Now, जो sea की तरफ से air है वो land की ओर आएगी उस एरिया को कवर करने के लिए. Okay, the warm air from the land move towards the sea. और जो हॉटर एयर लैंड के राइजेस अप हो रही है वो सी की तरफ जाएगी. ओके, एंड द एयर फ्रॉम द सी इज कॉल्ड सी ब्रिज. स्टूडेंट, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस डायग्राम, दिस फिगर. ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम, सी केयरफुली what happened during the daytime, the land get heated faster, so the air become hotter and rises up and move toward the sea. And because water is cooler than land, so the air above the water is cool air and it come to fill the place. Okay, so the air which rush towards the land, this is called the sea bridge. Okay, now what is the second phenomena, student? To receive the cooler sea breeze, the windows of the houses in coastal areas are made up the face of sea. Now the second one is at night it is exactly the reverse. रात में यही प्रोसेस जो मैंने आपको अभी एक्सप्लेन की है ये रिवर्स प्रोसेस होती है. वाटर कूल डाउन मोर स्लोली देन लैंड. वाटर लैंड के कंपैरिजन में धीरे धीरे कूल होता है और लैंड जल्दी कूल हो जाता है. सो द कूल एयर फ्रॉम द लैंड्स मूव टूवर्ड्स द सी. अब सी के ऊपर जो एयर है वो हॉट है एंड लैंड के ऊपर जो एयर है वो कूल्ड है. तो लैंड की जो एयर है वो जाएगी, इट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स द सी, एंड दिस फिनोमिना इज कॉल्ड लैंड ब्रिज. स्टूडेंट, you can see in this diagram air move from the lands towards the sea, from the lands towards the sea. So student, sea bridge form during the day and land bridge form at night. Now we read next topic, radiation. Student, when we come out in the sun, we feel warm. How does the heat from the sun reach us? Sun से heat हम तक कैसे पहुंचती है? It cannot reach us by conduction or student, in my previous video we read two process, conduction and convection. In solid, heat transfer by conduction, and gases and liquid, heat transfer by convection. But sun heat reach us not the method by conduction and convection. Okay, as there is no medium such as air in most parts of space. So student, from the sun, the heat come to us by the another process, and it is radiation. If someone asks you that how heat of the sun reach to us, then you say by the process of radiation, sun heat comes to us. Okay, the transfer of the heat by radiation does not require any medium. And how the radiation is different from conduction and convection? Because radiation, in the process of radiation, it does not require any medium. इसे किसी भी मीडियम की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Okay, it can take place whether a medium is present or not. स्टूडेंट, वेन वी सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ रूम हीटर, जब हम किसी रूम हीटर के आगे बैठे होते हैं, हमें गर्म लगता है, वी गेट हीट बाय दिस प्रोसेस. और जो हम हीट फील करते हैं वो किस प्रोसेस की वजह से करते हैं? रेडिएशन. A hot utensil keep away from the flame, cool down as it transfer heat to the surrounding by radiation. And student, अगर कोई हॉट यूटेंसिल है, कोई गर्म बर्तन है, और हम उसे गैस से नीचे रखते हैं तो वो ठंडा हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि हीट ट्रांसफर हो जाती है फ्रॉम सराउंडिंग टू सराउंडिंग. ओके, सो बाय विच प्रोसेस? रेडिएशन. So student, all hot bodies radiated heat. When this heat fall on some object, a part of it is reflected and a part is absorbed and a part may be transmitted. या तो heat reflect करेगी या absorb होगी. Okay, the temperature of the object increase due to the absorbed part of heat. अगर heat को absorb किया है किसी object ने तो वो object क्या हो जाएगा? गर्म हो जाएगा. I hope you understand. Now student, we read kind of clothes we wear in summer. We all know that at summer time we wear light color dresses, and in winter we wear dark color, because light color clothes absorb less heat in comparison to dark color cloth. Here we do activity 4.10. What is in this activity? Actually we take 2 utensils, 2 container, and we fill water on it. हमने 2 बर्तन लिए हुए हैं, कंटेनर्स भी ले सकते हैं, और हमने इनमें पेंट कर दिया आउटसाइड वाइट एंड ब्लैक, और हमने इसमें पानी को फिल कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? स्टूडेंट, black color absorb more heat because it is dark color, and you know that dark color absorbs more heat. So if we measure the temperature of both water, black water utensil have the water with more temperature. Okay, because black color absorb more heat. Now we do activity 4.11. Student, in this activity again we take 2 cane, and this time we fill hot water at the same temperature, and we leave it in room temperature and in shade. Okay, leave the cane in a room or in a shade. Note the temperature of a water after 10 to 15 minutes. Does the temperature of a water in both the cane fall by the same amount? No, student. White painted utensil or cane radiated more heat, so water become cool in comparison to black color. Okay. Do these activities suggest to you the reason why it is more comfortable to wear white or light colored clothes in the summer and in winter? Student, actually what happened, and this is very important, please mark it also, dark surface absorb more heat and therefore we feel comfortable with dark color cloth in winter. Dark surface हीट को एब्जॉर्व करता है, इसीलिए विंटर्स में हम ब्लैक ड्रेसेस वेयर करते हैं, सो दैट इट एब्जॉर्व मोर हीट. Okay, light color cloths reflect most of the heat. Light color जो होता है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हीट को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, दैट फॉल ऑन दैम एंड therefore we feel more comfortable wearing them in summer. So student, please mark it that dark surface absorb more heat and we feel comfortable with dark color clothes in winter. And it is very important, please you mark it also, ki what we wear in winter, okay, and what we wear in summer. Dark dresses we wear in winter. What is the reason? Because dark surface absorb more heat. Dark surface absorb more heat. Okay. And light color cloths in winter, because light color cloths reflect most of the heat that fall on them. I hope you understand. Now the last topic, woolen cloths keep us warm in winter. Student, in winter we used woolen cloths. Actually, wool is a poor conductor of heat. Mark it, it's very important. Wool is a poor conductor of heat. Wool is a poor conductor of heat. Okay, therefore, air trapped in between the wool fiber, this air prevent the flow of heat from our body to cold surrounding. So we feel warm. So student, in my next video, we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. This is all for today. Thank you.